Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Squad 44 error code 30005. The error reads, "Couldn't start the game. We are sorry, we had a problem starting your game." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to launch the game, but Easy Anti-Cheat, EAC, prevents it from starting. The issue is likely related to corrupted EAC files, interference from security settings, or an issue with the game files. The first thing you should try is restarting your PC along with your internet connection. After that, check if there are any pending updates for the game. If an update is available, install it and try launching the game again. If the game is already up to date, verify the integrity of the game files. To do this, open Steam. Then go to the library and right-click on Squad 44. Then select Properties. Then select Local Files. Then click Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for the process to complete. Once done, restart the game and check if the error still comes up. Sometimes Windows security features interfere with Easy Anti-Cheat. So try turning off the following settings. Open Windows Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. Then select Windows Security. Then click Device Security. Then select Core Isolation. Then turn off Memory Integrity and Local Security Authority Protection. Then restart your PC and try launching the game again. If the error still comes up, try deleting the easyanticheat.sys file. Simply restart your PC. Then navigate to the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, usually found in C or Program Files, x86, Easy Anti-Cheat. Then locate and delete the easyanticheat.sys file. Then start the game and check if the error is resolved. If none of these steps fix the issue, reach out to Squad 44 support and report the problem. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.